Working with DCON was probably overall best experience I've had with a contractor.
Frank and his wife did a great job with design and were very respectful to the team. This project was a Brooklyn townhouse, complete gut with structure upgrades, interior remodel, and exterior work.
My vision that I originally had was a lot of it came from, internet sites like Pinterest or just Google searches. DCON definitely did their part, and our vision was definitely fulfilled with what we imagined.
This project was also in production while COVID hit NYC. We are proud on how fast our team adapted to this new lifestyle and regulations, completing this project with success.
Definitely a ton of obstacles we had that we had to overcome, and we got it done.